Hello friends and hello dear students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to learn standard 6 social studies, and that is chapter number 16, local self government. Okay, and this is the third video. In the earlier videos we have already discussed about gram panchayat and even taluka panchayat. So today in this video we are going to learn district panchayat. We have already discussed in a very first video that as far as the structure of the government is concerned, so on the in the bottom we have gram panchayat. Okay, above it we have taluka panchayat, and above taluka panchayat we have district panchayat. Right, we have discussed that the head of the gram panchayat is called sarpanch, but administrative head of the gram panchayat is called talati cum mantri. Then talati cum mantri, or you can say talati cum minister. Then as far as taluka panchayat is concerned, so we have president and vice president, and we have TDO, means taluka development officer, that is administrative head. So here in district court, who is considered as head and even administrative head, that we are going to discuss in this video. So district panchayat is at the third level in the local self government. I already told you gram panchayat is on first, taluka second, and district third. So district panchayat at the third level in the local self government. District panchayat is the topmost level of three domain cell panchayati raj, and in panchayati raj I hope you aware about the thing, and it is remember to you, आपको याद होगा. तो we have discussed that here we have gram panchayat, here we have taluka panchayat, and here district panchayat, because we have accepted 3 tier system in panchayati raj. तो पंचायती राज का जो थर्ड टायर है, और वी कैन से टॉप मोस्ट लेयर है, इट इज कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. नाउ हाउ द फॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस इज देयर. So there are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members are there in the district panchayat. Okay, it's very important, you have to remember. So total here 32 and maximum 52 members are there in district panchayat. Okay, in taluka panchayat we have 16 and 32 ratio, and even in the village we have 18 to 16. So see, 18 to 16, 16 to 32, and 32 to 52 maximum. It's very easy. See, gram panchayat, so you can see 8 and 16 double. फिर ये 60 सेम इट इज यहाँ पे रहेगा, 16 के डबल 32, दैट इज तालुका पंचायत. 32 विल बी रिमेन सेम, and 32 double 32, that is district panchayat. So 8 16, 16 32, 32 52. So that is the ratio, minimum members in the district panchayat. So number of the seats are decided according to the population of the district. It is common in all the local self government that the seats or members are decided according to the population of the particular district or particular village or particular we can say taluka. So the seats are decided according to the population. Population के हिसाब से वो seat है वो decide होगी. 50% seats are reserved for women. It's you know very well कि जो 15% seats है वो reserve for women. Now in government, in Gujarat government, in all the sector 50% reservation is given to women. मतलब suppose आपके पास 10 seats है, so 10 के 15% मतलब 5 are reserved for women. यहाँ पे कोई male applicable नहीं करेगा. These 5 are totally for women. Yes, अगर woman नहीं है तो second chance है कि जो male है उसको you can appoint. Concerned voters of the constituently elect their members. जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जितने भी वोटर्स होंगे कनेक्टेड, मतलब जो कंसर्न है उसके साथ जो जुड़े हुए हैं, वो मेंबर्स वोट करके उन लोगों को इलेक्ट करेंगे. प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आर इलेक्टेड बाय द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मेजोरिटी. ओके, जो जिन्होंने इलेक्शन प्रोसेस में पार्ट किया होगा, एंड मेजोरिटी के हिसाब से प्रेसिडेंट एंड इवन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट विल बी इलेक्टेड. Different committees like executive committee, local justice committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc. are formed with the help of the elected members. Now we have already discussed that we have 32 to 56 members are there. Alright. So on the base of minimum 32 will be there and maximum 56. तो इन दोनों में से जितने भी होंगे, suppose 50 members are according to the population we have टू इलेक्ट 50 मेंबर्स। तो ये 50 मेंबर्स वो क्या करेंगे, उसके यूज से अलग अलग पार्ट करके एग्जीक्यूटिव मतलब मैनेजमेंट कमेटी, सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी, एजुकेशन कमेटी, इंस्ट्रक्शन कमेटी, हेल्थ कमेटी एक्सेट्रा विल बी फॉर्म। ओके, मतलब ये 50 के सपोज 5 बनाने हैं तो 5 करके या वॉट एवर द थिंग्स आर देयर उसके यूज से इतनी कमेटी बनेगी। Tenure of district panchayat is 5 years. It is common. Okay, if we are talking about any of the local self government, so the tenure मतलब जो period होगा वो कितना होगा 5 years. And after these 5 years again we have to do the election process. All right. Then administration. So the administrative head of the district panchayat is called DDO. What is the full form of DDO? So District Development Officer. See, only head is there, so we have like president, right? But the word administrative is there. So who is the head of administrative head of district panchayat? So you have DDO, so District Development Officer. In taluka, okay, at taluka level we have administrative head, that is TDO. So what is the full form of TDO? So Taluka Development Officer. So DO both same, Development Officer, but here D stands for district and T stands for Taluka. So as far as Taluka administrative head, so Taluka Development Officer, and DDO means District Development Officer. He or she is appointed by the state government. District panchayat is integrates and implements the scheme of state government. See, he or she means DDO, District Development Officer, is appointed by the state governments. Means if we are talking about Gujarat state, so it was or she or he is appointed by the Gujarat government, and he is or she is responsible to implements matlab to apply the schemes which is declared by the state government. Now functions. So what are the functions of district panchayat? So district panchayat controls the activities of gram panchayat and taluka panchayat and help them. Why? Because we have accepted 3 tiers. All right, the first tier is called gram panchayat, second one is called taluka panchayat, and third tier is called district panchayat. So district panchayat we can say ये जो ग्राम पंचायत है वो सन है मान लो, तालुका पंचायत है वो फादर है, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत है वो ग्रैंड फादर है। तो ग्रैंड फादर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, सन और फादर दोनों की हेल्प करना। तो सेम वे हियर, ये जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत है इट विल हेल्प टू तालुका पंचायत एंड इवन ग्राम पंचायत। मैनेजेस एंड कंट्रोल रेवेन्यू मतलब टैक्स इनकम। ऑलराइट, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. at district level. So as far as the district level is concerned, he controls the taxes, matlab he collect the taxes, he controls education and look forward for the education, cooperation, irrigation मतलब जो भी फार्मिंग है उसको पानी कैसे मिले तो वो फैसिलिटी, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री मतलब एनिमल के जो भी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, एग्रीकल्चर, ऑल द थिंग्स। डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेल्थ ऑफिसर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन ऑफिसर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सोशल वेलफेयर ऑफिसर, डेप्यूटी एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर आर इंचार्ज ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत। सो which members are in charge or who are in charge in the district panchayat? So district health officer. Why? Because to look forward for the health of the people. Then district primary एजुकेशन ऑफिसर मतलब जो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन है उसका भी वो इम्पॉर्टेंट होगा। एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर्स वो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वेलफेयर मतलब अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पीपल। एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर मतलब जो भी एग्जीक्यूशन है, मैनेजमेंट है, उसके लिए एक वो भी होंगे। देन सोशल जस्टिस कमिटी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट विल बी देयर इन शॉर्ट नोट ऑल्सो। So the Social Justice Committee is responsible for the creating and implementing the scheme so the weaker section of society can get education, health, social and economical facilities. See, why Social Justice Committee is required? Because it will help to the weaker section, मतलब जो बहुत पुअर होंगे उन लोगों को हेल्प करेगी। किस में? तो एजुकेशन में, हेल्थ में ना बहुत पुअर होंगे तो दे विल नॉट गो फॉर द प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट, तो उनको भी हेल्प करेगी। सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल फैसिलिटी। द कमिटी इज मेड ऑफ 5 members at the level of taluka panchayat and district panchayat. So how many members are there? So 5 members are there. Then the formation of the social committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of Panchayati Raj. See, social committee is not like that it is required in district level. It is required in Gram Panchayat level also and even Taluka Panchayat level also. Function of this committee is to impart justice to the weaker section. What is a function? So to impart justice, मतलब justice दिलाना किसको? So weaker section को. Now urban administration. So we have discussed in the urban administration that municipality and corporations are there. So there is a municipality in the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakh or more, and both of these are known as the organization of local self government. See, municipality कहाँ पे होगी? तो जहाँ पे population 1 से लेके 1 lakh से ज़्यादा होगी वहाँ पे, more than 1 lakh, right? And corporation, so more than 5 lakh population is there, so for that we have corporation, and both are known as the organization of local self government. These areas are decided according to the population. I have already told you कि जो भी government के self government के areas members decide होंगे, it is according to the population, मतलब कितने लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं on the basis of that. Elections are generally held after every 5 years. We have discussed. All the voters of the city having voting rights can participate in the election. Means all the voters of city, जितने भी लोग city में रहते हैं, but having the rights means 18 years या above 18 years, he has voting card और उन लोगों के जो name होंगे वो होंगे, then they can do the voting. Now corporation. So there is a corporation in the cities generally having the population up to 25,000 or more. जहाँ पे 25,000 से ज़्यादा जहाँ पे population होगी, they have the corporation. Minimum member of the candidates in corporation is 28. So minimum 28. Minimum, it's not maximum. Okay, where? So in corporation. So formation. Areas of municipality are divided into various wards on the basis of population. I have already told to you in Gram Panchayat also. Like सूरत की हम लोग बात करें, so not only one ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज देयर. ये सूरत को अलग अलग वार्ड में डिवाइड किया होगा, साउथ वार्ड, नॉर्थ वार्ड, वेस्ट वार्ड, ईस्ट वार्ड, साउथ ईस्ट वार्ड, लाइक दैट. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, वन वार्ड कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 members. 50% आउट ऑफ देम आर रिजर्व फॉर मेंबर्स. सपोज 4 वार्ड्स है, सो इन वन वार्ड वी हैव 4 members. So 4 wards are there, so 4 4s are 16 members are there. President and vice president are selected from the elected members. The president is the head of the elected member. जो भी president बनेगा वो जो elected members है उसका क्या बनेगा? head. His or her tenure is of 2.5 years. Means अगर हम लोग बात करें मेयर की, तो मेयर का जो टाइम पीरियड है वो 5 year नहीं होगा, इट इज ऑफ हाफ 2.5, मतलब 2.5 years. He is the chairman of the corporation. Then administration. So various committees are formed from the elected members. तो वो सारी जो है वो elected members से ही form होगी. Executive committee, finance committee, health and hygiene committee, construction committee, etc. are constituted as per the requirement. Executive committee मतलब management committee, finance मतलब related with money, health and hygiene वो committee, construction committee for roads and schools and all that thing. The head of the municipality is considered as a chief officer. So municipality का जो head है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? chief officer. He is appointed by the state government. So he is also appointed by the state government. Now functions. So following works are carried out by the municipality for well-being people. So water supply management, to supply the water to the people, those who are living in that particular area. Road management, disposal of waste water, जो भी disposal है वो वेस्ट जो है वो करना. एंड सैनिटेशन सिस्टम मतलब जो हाइजीन से रिलेटेड जो भी है वो. रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बर्थ, डेथ एंड मैरिजेस, दैट इज ऑल्सो वर्कड एट द ग्राम लेवल, मतलब ग्राम पंचायत लेवल ऑल्सो. टाउन प्लानिंग एंड एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट, कैसे टाउन प्लानिंग करना है, एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट कैसे करना है वो. फायर एक्शंस अगेंस्ट द सेल इन एडिबल आइटम्स, मतलब कोई आइटम जो है फूड आइटम उसमें कोई मिक्सचर करते कोई चीज़ बेचता है जो हेल्थ के लिए क्या है, हाइजेनिक नहीं है, तो उसके अगेंस्ट भी फॉलोअप करना. फायर मतलब आपको जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है फायर से लेके फायर स्टेशन एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. प्रोवाइड फैसिलिटी ऑफ गार्डन एंड लाइब्रेरीज, कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ कल्चरल बिल्डिंग एंड ऑडिटोरियम्स. जो अलग अलग सिटी में ऑडिटोरियम्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे कोई भी ड्रामा है या कोई सेमिनार्स है, इट विल बी अरेंज्ड देयर. सो टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एंड इवन मेंटेनेंस ऑफ कल्चरल बिल्डिंग्स और ऑडिटोरियम्स. ओके, सो दिस इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत एंड अर्बन की हम लोगों ने बात की, कॉर्पोरेशन. I hope it is clear to you, but still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.